Well, good morning, guys. Good morning. Just came back home from dropping my son off at school. So I decided to take out on this journey today. As I was warming my truck up this morning, as I come back outside, I got a check engine light. Dun 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 dun. What in the world that I have a check engine light when I've been changing everything that I need to be changed out? So I drove it on to drop him off at school. Y'all, excuse me. Just came back home and the check engine light's still on. So, time to pull out my hefty diagnostic system. I got it in the port dial now, and that part on charge. Now, you don't want to see them check engine lights, but you don't want to see them, especially when something serious, but something minor, then you say, thank you for coming on so I can eliminate the problem beforehand. I'll take that long to calculate up. Maybe because I got my truck on. Get my Wi-Fi on. I got my Wi-Fi. Let's see what's going on there. Let's stop and then hit diagnostic. Why I gotta go through all that again? Chevrolet. Hope y'all can see this. Let's see. Diagnostic. Chevy. Alright, okay. Launching. Loading. Let's see, automatic. Whether you want to read the VIN automatic, okay, I'm gonna say yes. Turn on ignition, the key to on position. For push start vehicle, press long press, okay. There we go. Reading for data, please wait. Alright. And it's just showing I got a 2000, okay, yes. Let's see, health report. 4-speed automatic, yes. With air pump, I think. Without. Reading for data, please wait. I'm like, what could this be? Really? Okay. I don't know what that is. They ain't never asked me for all this right here before. Give me a little cough. All right. Powertrain system. Finding fault code 1. Okay, and everything else, no fault. Let's find out what's going on in the powertrain system. Engine misfire detected. P0. What? Well, I do know I got brand new plugs in it. This thing running. This thing running good though. But I got a P0300 engine misfire detected. Only thing I haven't replaced was the core pack, but the engine is idling good. So only thing I can think of, guys, that could be bringing that code on. I changed all my O2 sensors, but one from the passenger side upstream. I don't did the driver side upstream and the two back O2 sensor, but I haven't got the passenger side O2 sensor in. So I'm thinking that could be the only problem. That's what's going on right now with this vehicle. Because I let it set and warmed it up this morning. Just sitting there warming up. So, you know, the exhaust fumes and all this fuel air mixture got to be, you know, somewhat level, balance. So, all right, guys, drop back in the comment. Do you think I'm right? But that's my code. Let me know. Just take y'all on a journey, the good and bad. So, here we go. All right, peace.